Hi, my name is Omar, and this is Pinnacle PinQuest, our submission for the 40 Hacks Dapper Top Game Integration track. Our app is built for Disney Pinnacle collectors. Its goal is simple, to give your pin collection a new purpose by providing real, daily utility. It works in 3 simple steps. First, connect your wallet that holds your Pinnacle pins. Then, complete the daily quest by choosing the pins that match the daily requirements. And finally, climb the leaderboard. You will be earning points based on the pins you chose. But before we log in, I want to explain what makes this project special. This is a 100% serverless app. Normally, a daily quest game like this needs a server to reset the quest. Ours doesn't. We use Flow 40 scheduled transactions to run the entire game loop on-chain. This is a true automated on-chain application. Now, let's see it in action. I'm going to start by connecting my wallet. This is going to trigger the authentication using the Flow Wallet Chrome extension. And in just a few clicks, I just have to approve the connection. And the authentication is done, and I'm taken to the main dashboard. Here we have proof of our 40 on-chain interaction. The timer here is reading a live timestamp from our smart contract, and that timestamp is being updated by the 40 job itself. This is our on-chain automation visible to everyone. Now below that we have our daily quest assignments. We have 3 slots that we have to fill by choosing the required pins. The first slot gives us our requirement and is asking for a Star Wars pin. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how can I fill that requirement. I can see here that in my collection I have 3 Star Wars pins, and those are the ones that I'm able to select. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this R2D2 pin. The second slot is asking for a pin made of gold. So once again, I'm gonna go ahead and look at my collection, and the app will automatically highlight and will only allow me to select the pins that matches that requirement. Fortunately, I have this Darth Vader pin, and I'm gonna select that. And the third and final slot is actually an open slot that allows me to select any pin I want for my collection. So I'm gonna be smart here, and actually we can look at how the scoring works on our quest. Basically, we have a base score for every pin that we submit, but we also have some bonus points if we use a limited edition or a special pin, or if we match 2 or 3 pins from the same franchise, studio, or material. So in order to maximize my points on this quest, I'm gonna go ahead and choose a 3rd pin from the Star Wars franchise. So I'm gonna choose my Luke pin, and I'm gonna go ahead and submit. Now that I have my slots completed, this is gonna trigger a new transaction that I have to approve. And now the submission is being sent to the smart contract, which is gonna validate the submission, make sure that all the requirements are met, and just like that, you can see here that my submission was successful, and I got a score of 650 thanks to all the bonuses. And you can see here that I'm at the top of today's leaderboard, basically because I'm the only player right now. But this is a live leaderboard that takes its data from the on-chain contract, and this is basically our project. We have a little bit of time before the daily quest resets and a new quest sets in, and we have new requirements to fill. And obviously the pins that we already use cannot be used on new quests, so that gives a lot of utility to each of the pins. And well, this completes the demo. As you can see, we have built a complete, engaging consumer app that's truly serverless by using 40